Hey friends, can I speak to your heart for a moment? When someone asks, "How was your day?" do you sometimes pause and feel a little unsure? You've had stress, tiredness, small wins, and quiet moments, but instead you just say fine, or okay, or busy. And inside, you feel like the real story of your day stayed hidden. I've felt this many times too. Even while creating these episodes, there are days when I worry my English doesn't sound natural enough, or that I might come across as boring. If you've ever felt the same, please know you are not alone. This episode is made with a lot of care for you.
Welcome to Simple Spoken. I'm Henry. Today we're going to gently work together on something meaningful. I'm going to help you talk about your day with natural, warm, and confident English, so you can share your real experiences more easily and comfortably. Take a slow breath with me. Good. You're in a safe place. Let's begin. Let me share my own day with you honestly. To be honest, yesterday started pretty rough. I tossed and turned most of the night. My mind was busy at 2 a.m. thinking about work and things I needed to do. Left side, right side, blanket on, blanket off. I felt tired even before the day began. I'm sure many of you know this restless feeling.
When my alarm rang, I was already exhausted. I hit snooze and nearly dozed off again. When I finally got up, I felt on edge. Everything seemed a bit too much. The coffee took forever, my shirt didn't feel right, and small notifications annoyed me. But I caught myself and chose to be kind. I stopped, took a few slow, deep breaths, and said gently, "It's okay, Henry. One thing at a time." That small pause helped me feel more at ease. Later, work got really busy. I was completely swamped. Messages, urgent requests, sudden changes, everything came out of nowhere. I felt a bit overwhelmed, but I took a breath and decided to knuckle down. I focused on the important tasks. It wasn't perfect, but I was proud I kept going. By afternoon, I hit that heavy post-lunch fog. My eyes were tired and my mind felt crowded. So I stepped outside, walked slowly, and just breathed. That simple moment really helped me feel better. In the evening, I did a quiet reset. Changed my clothes, cooked something simple, and tidied one small corner of my room. Slowly, I felt more settled. All in all, it was a tiring but okay day, and I felt good about how I handled it. You see, you don't need a perfect day to speak naturally. Even our normal, imperfect days are worth sharing. Here are 5 warm sentence starters you can use anytime. Number 1, to be honest. To be honest, it started rough but got better as the day went on. Number 2, funnily enough, even though I was swamped, I found some peaceful moments. Number 3, out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, the day became really busy. Number 4, looking back on it, I handled it better than I expected. Number 5, all in all, it was tiring, but I feel at ease now. Let's go through the word tour together. Nice and slow. Toss and turn. Moving restlessly in bed because your mind won't calm down. Doze off. Falling asleep lightly without meaning to. On edge. Feeling tense and easily irritated. At ease. Feeling calm and peaceful inside. Swamped. Extremely busy and overwhelmed. Knuckle down. Focusing seriously even when it's hard. much-needed break. A rest your heart and mind really needed. Out of nowhere. Happening suddenly and unexpectedly. Practice with me. I tossed and turned last night. I felt on edge. I took a much-needed break. And now I feel more at ease. You're doing great. Be proud of yourself. Your everyday experiences matter, even the ordinary and tiring ones. I know it can feel a bit scary to express yourself in English sometimes, but every small try makes you better. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share about your day. Start with, "To be honest," or "All in all." I read every comment, and I genuinely enjoy hearing your stories. If this episode helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. This week's kind challenge: try adding just one honest feeling instead of saying fine. You don't have to be perfect, just real. I believe in you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for spending this time with me. I'm Henry from Simple Spoken. Take care of your English, and most importantly, be gentle with yourself. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.